funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new.
Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and today we are going to be going over a haul that I did. Y'all won't believe it, but I got most of this stuff from Burlington Coat Factory or Walmart. Yes, Walmart has upped their game. You hear me? They have got so much good stuff. They got some marble, they got gold, they got just like all the good trends. Walmart is catching up. I know it's been a long time, but I have been really busy. Like, it's been go non-stop since the kids got back from North Carolina. We got football practice 3 times a week and they're back in school obviously. And then we got games on Saturday. Then I got my clients on the weekends as well. And I have my regular 8-hour job daily. So it's just been a lot going on. I haven't had much time to do any footage and record. So I apologize, but thank y'all for being loyal. Thank you for sticking around, staying subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you do like what you see. Pretty much, I'm just sprucing up me and my husband's bedroom. As y'all saw, I've done the kids' room. We are going to be moving soon. Well, not soon, but we're going to be moving. So I don't want to do like too much, and we're about to move. And plus, it's a renter home, as y'all know if you've been watching. So I can't really paint and do much stuff, and there's no need to paint when we're going to be moving soon. So I'm just adding different elements and trinkets and artwork to just brighten up the space a little bit. Some of this stuff is from Walmart. Yeah. Burlington Coat Factory, I've been going there for years. A lot of people don't know, but you can get some really good decor finds from Burlington Coat Factory for, you got it, the Lowski. Y'all know I love stuff for low. So yeah, let's get it. So pretty much they have anything like plants, vases, artwork, bedding, rugs, candles, trinkets. Like, they have so much stuff. So go to Burlington Coat Factory, check out the home section if you don't, or if you haven't already, and you'll be wowed. You're gonna love it. And then also Walmart. You know how you scroll on Facebook and you can see like sponsored. So I've been seeing like a lot of cute stuff on my Facebook sponsored Walmart. So I'm like, let me just go up in there and see what they have and get some stuff. And I did, and I'll show y'all what's from Walmart, what's from Burlington Coat Factory. Keep on watching if you are interested. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And we'll just start with this basic candle. But like, even though it's a nice little candle, it's a vanilla scented candle, but look at the packaging. Like, the packaging is so pretty. It has a nice gold lid. It's got the gold emblem on it, and it's nice and crisp and white. I love white. So this is just a good accent piece. Plus it's 2 weeks, so it'll last a while, and it smells amazing. And this was $6.99. This is just a cute little trinket. It's just a white and gold cactus, and this was $5.99. These 2 items are from Burlington Coat Factory. I'll just show everything from Burlington Coat Factory first. This is a little succulent. It has a nice concrete textured pot, and then of course the rocks and the little plant part on top. This was $5.99 compared to $11. And this candle is typically $13. So for $6.99, it's like a good deal. And this is just a little painting with a quote, a canvas painting. It says, "When life gives you limes, just add tequila." So I absolutely love that little saying because, you know, just take a shot if you're going through something. But this was, I didn't take the tag off. I think it was like, I don't remember, but it wasn't much. It was probably like $9.99 or something. I got this grass plant with this white and then it has the silver trim on top. I love mixing metals, so I'll be mixing gold and silver as well, because when you mix metals it just gives it a more high-end look, which I really like. And this didn't have a price tag on it, so she actually gave me this nice big plant for $5.99. So that was the deal. This is from there as well. It's just a nice little vase. Look at the texture on it. And it blings a little. And this was only $9.99. That's like unheard of. It's normally $17. So yeah, this is really nice. This one, this is a white vase, and this one is nicely textured too. I love texture elements because it adds a lot to the space. And so this one was $6.99. Burlington Curl Factory. Okay. This was from Burlington Coat Factory as well. So this is just a sculpture. This is just a sculpture. I can't say that right now. This is just a sculpture ball, and pretty much it's just a decorative item to just place and look nice. What else is from Burlington? This rug. This is a faux fur gray rug. Nice and soft. And this is how long it is. These rugs typically run about $30 and up. This one was $12.99. So I was happy about that, okay? $12.99 for this rug, which is a win. All I do is win, no matter what. Okay. What else is from Burlington? Oh, my favorite piece that I found at Burlington. All right, y'all ready for this? Are you ready for this? Look at this beautiful painting. I'm not even giving it justice right now. I'm gonna have to do a separate pan of this and show you, because this painting is beautiful. It has the blues, it has some grays, it has the gold specks going across, and then it has a nice gold trim, and it has a floating canvas. Y'all, something like this would easily cost about $150 to $300, right? That's how much it normally costs. Guess how much I got it for? $40! Yes, $40. I got this for 40 freaking bucks. I can't believe it. But I'm so excited. This is my favorite item that I got because it's the best deal that I got. Okay, so I think that's it from Burlington Coat Factory. But I mean, you see all these nice items that came from Burlington? Oh, let me go get it. This is a mirror that I also got from Burlington Coat Factory. I'm not gonna point it at y'all because it's just gonna show the background and all the lights and stuff. You don't need to see that. So, pretty much this mirror is gorgeous. This is really in trend as well. However, this mirror was black when I brought it. So I went ahead and taped off the mirror part and spray painted the trim and the outside gold so it can match everything else. and it looks freaking amazing. Normally these mirrors run about 50 bucks at least and up, and I got this one for 20, and then I just spray painted it gold because I already had some gold spray paint at the house, so that was just an easy upgrade for the low-ski, you know. Okay, so those are all the items from Burlington. Now let me go ahead and show y'all the cute stuff that I got from Walmart. We shall start with this lovely lamp. It has a nice pattern on it. It's gonna add some pattern to the space. I love how it is. And then I opted for this long, I can't take it off right now, it's got a light bulb in there. But I opted for this long lampshade versus the standard, you know, short one. It adds height and it looks very luxurious. The next item from Walmart, just this simple clear vase. And this little vase was actually like too much for my liking to be from Walmart. Like, it's just a plain vase. Why was it $11? But it was okay because I needed it. And then I got these cotton balls in a stick, you know, just for decorative look. Put it in there. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Look at that. Just like that. Looking like something. So that's just to add some decorative space. This geometric item came from Walmart as well. And I think Walmart stuff is actually more expensive than Burlington Coat Factory, because like that $11 vase, that's just a little, like you can get one like this for $9.99. So it's like a clear vase for $11, and I got a real gorgeous one for $10. So I guess it kind of just depends. But however, this geometric piece was, I want to say it was like $8, which isn't bad at all. And then this lamp here I got for my nightstand. And these are really popular, really in trend. I actually really like this lamp. And it was on clearance for $8. Yep, $8. You heard it right. So I was like, I had to get it. And this lamp here, this lamp is really, really nice. As you can see, it has the clear globe with the silver pole going through, and it has the nice big white. And the lampshade is like a linen texture. I really, really like that. And it has like a basket weave thing going on here. You can't see it in the, you can see it a little bit. But I really like the texture and look of this lampshade. It's nice, clean, crisp lines, and that's what I love. And it's white, which I love. And I got it clear because where I'm putting it at, I don't want it to look too heavy on the dresser. So this will help to make it have a nice airy feel on the dresser without making it feel overcrowded. Okay, these two paintings I got from Walmart, and it says, I belong with you, you belong with me. So I thought that was really sweet to put and hang above the bed. You know, I will be on my side, you will be on my husband's side. And it brings us together because we belong together, baby. You know? So yeah, I really like these, and I like how they're just very minimal. I love wood tone, I love white, and I love black. And it's just very, very minimal. It has all this space, but they put the wording right here. So I love the minimal look to it. It gives me a Scandinavian vibe. And this is just a planter succulent, a little plant home that I got to just go on the dresser to add some life and greenery to the space. Y'all know I'm obsessed with plants. Can't help it. Alright, and last but not least are my two favorite items because they are DIYs and I'm just like obsessed with them. So they're these marble trays with these gold handles. You've probably seen them everywhere, like on Pinterest or just everywhere. And I've already made one before, but I wanted to go ahead and make some for my bedroom as well. So it's pretty much just wood but I have the marble on top and I have the gold handles. So it's a nice, beautiful gold tray and it looks amazing. Whenever you put sticker items on it, you can't tell that this is a DIY. Like, it legit looks like it came out of the store for $122, like the one that I saw online. I'm not gonna pay that, so I made my own. And this is a smaller version. Also got bigger version to put on my dresser, and these have the handles like this. So I absolutely love how they came out. They look amazing, especially when you go ahead and style it with the items that you're going to be putting up here. I love it. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like what you saw. If you did, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like. I will greatly appreciate it. Make sure you check out your Burlington Coat Factory for the good items. Make sure you check out your Walmart because they're very trendy right now. I will be uploading a video of the DIY that I did for the marble tray with the gold handles and how I spray painted the mirror gold. So make sure you keep a lookout for those because the marble tray is very easy. So if you do like it, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to make one for yourself for the Lowski. So go ahead, subscribe, like. Thank y'all so much for watching and I will see y'all next time. Where's that piece of hair? And I also got this gorgeous mirror. Oh, you can see my lights, camera, action. How am I gonna show y'all this without showing y'all the reflection? And it's messing up my face. Like, look at it. Look at it. All right. It's spray painted to go. It already has gold. Oh, messed up. I just had a brain fart. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you, no, I don't like that. And no, nope, no.
In the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.